In this video, we are going to learn how to add and subtract rational expressions. So before we do that, let's go ahead and add and subtract regular fractions. Remember that in order to add two fractions, you have to have a common denominator. So right now I have 3/7 plus 1/2. I can't add those because I have a 7 and a 2 as my denominators. So what I need to do is I need to multiply the 1/2 fraction by 7 over 7 and the 3/7 by 2 over 2. Okay, so what that turns it into is I multiply, so 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 7 is 14, plus I have 7 over 14. Now they have the same denominator, and I can add them together. I get 13 out of 14. All right, so let's jump into it. For number 4, I actually already have the same denominator, and I have some subtraction. Now obviously this looks a little bit more complicated, but we'll get through it. So because we have the same denominator, we can go ahead and combine them into 1. I have x minus 4 over 16x squared. That's it. I've added them together. For the next one, we have the same denominator. It's x plus 3. So we can go ahead and we can add them together in the top. So I have 5x plus 15 over x plus 3. Now, we do need to simplify things. So if I can factor something, I'm going to factor it. I can take a 5 out of the numerator, and I'm left with x plus 3. And if the denominator is also x plus 3, that means I can go ahead and simplify this. X plus 3 divided by x plus 3 is 1, so I'm left with 5 as my final answer. All right, let's take a look at one that doesn't have a common denominator. Here I have 3x and 6x. I need this to be the same polynomial. All I need to do is, to make 3x become 6x, is multiply it by 2. So I'm just going to multiply the first fraction by 2 over 2. I get 10 over 6x plus 7 over 6x. Add those together. 10 plus 7 is 17 over 6x. It doesn't simplify, so we're done. All right, let's do number 7. In this one, it's not as simple as multiplying by one number. I can't multiply x plus 2 by negative 2 to make it x minus 4. It won't work that way. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to multiply by the denominator for both. So I have x minus 4 over x minus 4. And for my first fraction, I need to multiply by x plus 2 over x plus 2. What this will turn into is, 5 times x plus 2 over x plus 2 minus 3 times x minus 4 over x minus, forgot. I multiplied the denominator so I could get x plus 2 times x minus 4. And then the next denominator, x plus 2 times x minus 4. Now we have the same denominator. So that means we can go ahead and we can combine the tops into 1. So I'll have 5x plus 2 minus 3x minus 4 all over x plus 2 times x minus 4. Now I do need to simplify the top, so let's go ahead and do that. I have 5x, I'm going to distribute the 5, I get 5x plus 10, I'm going to distribute the negative 3, I get negative 3x plus 12 all over, I'm not going to multiply the denominator, I'm going to leave it factored, We're almost there. We just need to combine like terms. I've got my 5x minus 3x, so that would be 2x. And then I also have 10 plus 12, so that would be plus 22. All over x plus 2 times x minus 4. I can factor 2x plus 22 into 2 times x plus 11, but that's not going to cancel out with anything in the bottom. So it is okay to leave your answer like this if that is the case. Okay, let's do one more problem. Here I have a little bit more complex polynomial. I have a denominator that is not factored. You always want to factor first. So what multiplies to 16 that adds to negative 8? Let's see, it wouldn't be 8 and 8, it would have to be negative 4 and negative 4. So I'm going to rewrite my problem as negative 15x over x minus 4 times x minus 4 plus 12 over x minus 4. Now this one's nice because the only thing missing from this denominator is another x minus 4. So if I multiply this fraction by x minus 4 over x minus 4, I now have the same denominator as this fraction. So I don't need to do anything to the first fraction, just the second fraction. So let's go ahead and continue. I have negative 15x over x minus 4 times x minus 4 plus 12. Negative 15x plus 12 does not factor, so that is our, oops, I keep forgetting things. I have an x minus 4 that I multiplied in the top, silly me. So that means I do need to actually multiply it out. So I have negative 15x plus 12x minus 48 over x minus 4 times x minus 4. I'm going to combine like terms. I have negative 15x plus 12, so negative 3x minus 48 all over x minus 4 times x minus 4. I'm going to check on the top. I think I can take out, let's see, is 48 divisible by 3? Yes. I could factor this into negative 3 times x plus 16. However, I know that the x plus 16 isn't going to cancel out with anything. So I'm going to leave my answer like this. And that's it. Thank you very much.